Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, April 24th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I called the Dow down, or yesterday I called the Dow down for today. It did not go down. It actually gained 21 points today, but it almost had the feel of a down day. At times it just doesn't want to go anywhere, and today we had a lower opening. I thought, hey, I'm right, and then it rallies, and really this almost looks like a bull spike here, but it's just kind of it's a bull spike that it can't go anywhere. And I'm sorry, I'm going to call it down again on Monday. I just feel like it's kind of run out of steam. We got really gored this morning on our positions. You know, we had about $2,000 positive yesterday on the close. By the time we got out of it, we were negative $6,000 and closed out trades. I'll show you in a second the problem with that we had. We are carrying positive $4,000 over the weekend going into Monday, and we did have some good trades aside from the one that killed us. Anyway, you know, these things happen, but let me show you what really stabbed us in the back today. This was Covenant Transportation Group. I think we might have had a couple of decent trades in this, but we bought this yesterday, and you know, when it closed, it really didn't give us any warning at all that there was any problem with it. It looked pretty stable. Look what happened this morning. I don't know if this was a report, earnings, whatever, but it just fell out of bed from about 35 all the way down to 31 this morning, and we got stopped out and almost $6,000 loss. So that really hurts. And you know, there's nothing else to be said. Sometimes that happens. We did have a handful, or a couple at least, really good trades. So let's see here. This first one is in Recro Pharma. I look at that and I think, is this a drug company that sells recreational drugs? Recro Pharma? Anyway, regardless, we had a good trade in it today. This thing takes off. We jump into it, and it goes way up, and then did pull back some, but we're still holding $2,000 in Recro Pharma. And then really our best trade, this is Rave Restaurant Group. I don't know what Rave Restaurant Group is serving for food, but this has been a really good stock for this. We bought this yesterday. Nothing happened with it after we bought it, but it really had a big rally today. It also pulled back, but even with the pullback, we're holding about $4,000 in Rave. That was about, I think, a 10% move or something like that. Nice move in Rave Restaurant Group. Anyway, you know, not a great day, obviously, but we didn't get killed. Heck, we closed out 6,000. We're carrying 4,000 over the weekend. That's not too bad. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend. I'll be back here online on Monday.